Hi there, so I'm gonna just show you how to create a smart CTA in HubSpot. So for you to be able to create a smart CTA in HubSpot, you need to have Marketing Hub Professional or Marketing Hub Enterprise or CMS Hub Professional or CMS Hub Enterprise. So if you're not on any of those tiers, then you cannot be able to create smart CTAs in HubSpot. So for you to get there, you have to come to menu. You go straight to marketing, and from marketing you go to lead capture. From lead capture you'll see the form and the CTA. So we click on CTA. You have this button that says create CTA. So this is where you create your CTA however you want to name your CTA. For this test we'll say download ebook. And you have the option to change the color of your CTA. You have the option to change the style, the button style of your CTA, or to add the paddings to your CTA. So let's say for instance you want to make it maybe bigger, you want to make the text bigger or smaller, you can also do that. If you want to do like advanced styling, so you do have that option here. You can give it like a CSS class and then style it however you want. And when you're done, you click next. So we have like a CTA internal name. This is the name that you and your team you can see inside. Other people outside, they cannot see it. And now you have this option to redirect your link of your CTAs to. You can link it to your HubSpot page or blog post or meeting link, file, email address. There's a lot there. So for this test we'll go with the website URL, and we will use Digital Reach website. So and then we want it to open in a new window, and you have that option of adding the CTA to a campaign so you can see how it's performing, and then save. So your CTA is done. So what we have to do now, we have to add the smart version. So with smart CTAs you can display customized button to your different visitors based on data stored on their HubSpot contact record, or based on information that is known about their device type, the country where they're based, referral source, or preferred language. So you can base your smart rules on those criteria. For instance, if for a country, you can display the content to your viewer based on their country, and the country will be determined by the IP address of the visitor. And also for the device type, if maybe you want to specify which device the smart contents is centered around, maybe a mobile, tablet, or desktop, HubSpot will look at what is called the user agent of your visitor's browse, so that they can determine their device type. Since this can sometimes be changed on the device, then the segmentation of that role cannot always be guaranteed. So we have also another one, which is the referral source. So this one will show your visitors the smart content based on how they found your website, and also the language for the preferred language. So you can also personalize your content based on that language set within the user's web browser. And also for the lifecycle stage, so HubSpot will look at the lifecycle stage property of that content, and then they will be able to display the relevant content based on that value of that field of their lifecycle stage. So create smart content. For this one we'll go with, let's say for the country, for the CTA, so we'll just go with for Burundi, and next, and save. That's how so there is the another one, the smart one. So you do have an option of adding more smart versions. So configure your visitors country smart rule, select or one or many countries. Maybe you want to add another country, Afghanistan, next, and next, and then you save. So that is how you can add more and more.